Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Joey Sparks. That's two E's, no Y. You heard me. That's two E's, no Y. And in this video, we are going to be doing another unboxing, unpackaging of a t-shirt. Okay? If you know me, you know I love my graphic tee mashups, right? You put a graphic tee with two of my favorite things and you mix them together in some sort of graphic design, sold every time, if it's for a reasonable price. Anyways, it's usually wrapped around some of the things that make up who I am. I'm a videographer by trade, and I take that point of view into all my review videos, my reaction videos, and I also do these unboxing videos. These unboxing videos usually tell a little bit about who I am, and since this channel is kind of about me and my point of view, there you go. So if you're ready to rock into this unboxing and see what I got, see if you're a fan of either of these two meshed up things, let me know. First, I gotta play. Yeah. All right, bet. Let's do this. Let's take this down. Not that that really messes with you too much to see it. We can leave it up. All right. Let's see here. All right. Truth be told, already opened it. Because you know I like to get it prepped, ready to show you. You feel me? Okay. And look, it's in my favorite wardrobe color, right? Black apparel. It's my favorite. I grew up loving Batman, Darth Vader, and all, like, kung fu flick ninjas and stuff like that. So black is one of my favorite. Look, I mean, I'm wearing black right now. Ooh, check out this mashup, right? Cad Bane with the Red Dead Redemption video game cover. Like, I played the video game, and Cad Bane is one of the most coolest characters in the Star Wars universe. Oh, I just love my graphic tees, man. You put them together, I love it. Okay, before I do this, do me a favor. Like and comment on all the content, okay? If you're new to the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. Like I said, I'm a music videographer by trade, so I take that point of view of film and video production into all my reviews, reactions, and these unboxings, unpackagings, whatever it may be. Okay, boom. Let me know if you know either of these images. 3, 2, 1. Oh, t-shirt. Yes. Bro, I am so hyped for this shirt. Look at this. Okay, obviously you know, right? Wolverine, Deadpool, right? In place of Big Boy and Andre 3000 on their album cover, Outkast, Stank on Ya, right? Look at this. This is hard body, bro. Hard. Hard. And the reason it's super extra dope and I'm super excited for this one is images are starting to surface about the movie. The movie that they got done, I guess, writing in time before the writer's strike. So, okay, I'm talking about a lot. First of all, have you ever seen a Deadpool movie? Have you ever seen an X-Men movie? Do you know of these two characters from the Marvel comics? You could know them from just comics. You could know them from their movies. This is the first time we're going to see them on screen. If you know anything about the comics, they've had a rivalry and fighting a lot through that. Deadpool can't really die. Wolverine regenerates. They make for a perfect fight. Blades from him with the adamantium claws that Wolverine possess. Fire, right? And so this duo is going to be amazing on the screen. And this is like the first X-Men film or Wolverine film where he's going to be wearing the classic yellow and blue outfit. And then I was a fan of the Deadpools. The Deadpools are super good because they use Ryan Reynolds' just natural funniness. They're super super funny. Like, I really really love. They're just, like, his just whimsical ability to go off script that leads me into the writer's strike. Now, if you're not aware, Hollywood has a writer's strike. The reason they're striking is because they don't know how to get paid off their films for streaming. Now that a lot more times films are being streamed at home and not paid for at the ticket booth, the contracts need to change along with that. And so the writers are putting a kibosh on you. If you're part of the union or whatever it is, if you part of Hollywood, you cannot write new scripts and you cannot produce things that haven't already been greenlit. The script has already been written and greenlit. So apparently, this film has already been written and greenlit, and so they're shooting it now. Apparently, I think they shot the very first Deadpool in like less than 8 weeks, so they're accustomed to shooting fast. And I think if the writers' strike goes on any further and it really shuts down a lot of it, this will be pretty much already done as far as filming, so they'll be able to capitalize, and it might be even one of the very few superhero movies we'll get during this time. So that's what I love these, right? But now the album Stank on You. Let's not even just talk about the album. The album's dope, but who they represent in here, Big Boy and Andre 3000, some of rap's elite, hip hop's elite. Some people are saying one of the best duos together of all time, like one of the best groups. It's hard to argue. I would probably put them up against Wu-Tang for groups. We talking groups, right? So yeah, in my mind, they would probably be some of the most, I don't know, the most respected groups in hip hop. Now, when I was going through high school, because I'm a old fart, Outcast ruled the airways. If you got in somebody's car, either the radio was playing or their CD deck was playing. Yes, CD deck was playing Outcast. They had one of the Outcast albums somewhere. And so with them being so well revered, and then Andre 3000 goes down in history as like one of the best lyricists of all time, even though his like catalog isn't very extensive, and he definitely doesn't rap like that anymore. And the group don't put down like that. But then Big Boy, who Wolverine's representing here, he went on to film. So did actually Andre. They both went into film, and that don't normally happen. And so you could imagine me when I wake up and I saw this t-shirt was available at my favorite t-shirt plug, and then I was scrolling and I hit it, and I'm like, I cannot believe this. I just know that I had to purchase it. I didn't care what it cost. I said, and you got it in black too? Ship it right away. Now, the key is, when am I going to break it out? Do I wait for the film or do I break it out ahead of time? I don't know. I don't think I can sit on it, bro. It's too hot right now. I'm going to have to wear this in the streets next week. I don't know. Do you know anything about the Deadpool series? Do you know anything about Wolverine and Deadpool's history? You ever a fan of any of these comic books? Let me know down in the comments. If you know neither, but you know the music of Outkast, let me know what your favorite Outkast song is. And let me know why, too. Man, Back of the Bus is a dope one, but Southern Playlistic, Cadillac, Funky Music, that was the very first song I heard from them. I was getting my license at the time. I'm so old. Anyways, y'all, that's been another unboxing here on my channel. Once again, I'm a music videographer by trade. So music and film are the things that I take my point of view into these unboxings. I also do reactions and reviews on this channel. If that's something you're into, consider hitting that subscribe button. Also, like and comment on the video too. It helps the algorithm get my video in front of more eyes. It speeds it up a little bit, and I'd appreciate that help from you. Other than that, I'm gonna catch you on the next video, and until then, watch this video here. All right, man. Peace.